Hello learners, let's say that you want to save a program's code into either a Word document or a text file so that you can send it to someone. In other words, you do some work and then you have your program like this, and then the code, click F12 and you'll see your code behind your form. Let's say all of this code you want to go and send off to somebody in a Word document or a Notepad. Well, there's two ways of saving your code into a document or Notepad form. Well, the first way is to save it directly into Notepad. So here I am going to do it the slightly more technical way and faster way. This is the faster way, but it's a little bit more technical, so you need to concentrate when you do this. What we're going to do is, so you're in your code view, or your view of all the code that you've written. Okay, and then you're going to now go and do File, Save As, click on Save As, and then you then have to make a new folder inside this folder. Now remember that all of these items you see here are in a folder for your program. I'm going to create a new folder in that folder for my program, and then I'm calling it to send, whatever you want to call the name of the folder. Then you open that folder. Then you still got this here, gala.pas, but you're going to change that. You're going to change the name, but first you must click on Save As Type and choose any file, and then next to gala.pas you remove the file extension and change it to txt. So it's gala.txt in this case. So then you click Save. Right, now for the grade 12s, especially when you have object-oriented programming, you want to save your class as well, or you want to put your class into a text file. You're going to go and click on the class. Can you see it's this one is called Swimmer? And I'm going to go File, Save As, and then I'll go open that folder I created and change the type, Save As Type, change it to any file, and then remove that .pas extension, type txt.txt, click on Save. Don't worry about those two things there. We're worrying about this here. Then we click Save. Now you can close your program, close Delphi, but over here it's going to ask you to save changes to project gala._b. Say no. Okay, click on No there. Then we go to the folder where we saved all of that. This is the folder where the program was, and inside there's that folder to send. So I'm double clicking, opening that folder, and then you'll see the gala.txt. There's all the code for that program. There's swimmer.txt. There's all the code for that. These other two things you can actually just delete, you don't need them there. So that is the folder where you will have your thing saved if you chose to save it into that folder. Obviously you can choose and create a folder anywhere else on your hard drive, but you know now where to find your Notepad files, which has the code. Now what if you wanted to do it a different way? Should I open my Delphi again? Takes a while. We want to open it a different way. Let me just quickly go and get all of these files here. I mean, if you want to save it if you want to copy the code into a Notepad or a Word document in a different way, go to the code section, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, then open your Word document, and then Control V to paste. If you wanted to go and paste it into a Notepad file, open Notepad and Control V to paste. get to Notepad, all its quick ways to rather just type Notepad in your search bar over here at the bottom. Okay. Right, so that's the quick way. And of course, for the grade 12s, you have 2 units to save. Should I say send off? So Control A again, and then Control C to copy. So Control A selects all, Control and C will copy it, and then you open your Word document or your Notepad file, Control V to paste, and so on. So you must choose which way is best for you. Only you will know. Thank you.